What's up? So I went to the dentist today for the first time in a long time. Let me just tell you go to the dentist every fucking year. Okay? Dental hygiene is important. Okay? I go to the dentist, just for a checkup. It's been a while. And plus, I want a day off of work, so I go to the dentist. They do the X-rays, the whole probing and shit. Turns out I got 3 cavities that require 3 root canals, and I got a wisdom tooth that needs to be surgically removed. So yeah, it was a shock to me. So yeah, go to the dentist. So anyway, I tell the doctor, I say, "Doctor, what the hell?" I said, "I brush 2 times a day." And he says, "So?" And he said, "Do you floss?" I said, "No." He said, "Well, do you use mouthwash?" I said, "Yes." And then I said, "Do I use mouthwash before I brush or after I brush?" He said, you brush first so that it gets all that shit out and stuff, and then you use the mouthwash. And I said, "Doc, I've been doing it wrong the whole time. I've been mouthwash first and then brushing." And he said, "Yeah, no. Next time, from now on, brush, then mouthwash." And I said, "Okay." I said, "I want to be very clean. I want to be dentally hygienic, doctor. Give me something. Tell me what to do." They have 1,000,005 toothbrushes out there and toothpastes. Tell me which one to use. Tell me how to brush. Tell me what to do. And he says, "Well, Sean, you seem like you're, pretty serious about, being, clean guy." I said, "Yeah." I said, "Doctor, give me something." And he said, "All right, give me a second." And he goes back into his office for a little while, actually. And then he comes back and he says, "How much would you pay for a good toothbrush?" I was like, if it was, a doctor recommended one or whatever, one, I'd probably pay, like $100. And he's just kind of shook his head. And he said, "Sean, do you want to be dentally hygienic?" And I looked at him and I said, "Yes, sir." And he pulled out this box and he said, "This is a brand new toothbrush. And I don't mix my words when I say it's the greatest one ever made in the entire world. This toothbrush is the greatest toothbrush ever made. It's not even available in the United States. I only have 2. I only have 2 of them." And I say, "Bullshit." Bullshit. And I was like, what? He says, "Do you want to be clean?" So yeah. He said, "Do you want this toothbrush?" I said, "Yeah." "How much is it?" He said, "Sean, it's $300. I just fucking laughed. What does it do? Give me a hand job? We had a good laugh. But he said, Sean, I'm a doctor. You know, I'm not I'm not some guy who like lives in like the basement. I'm not lying when I say this fucking toothbrush is the best one that's ever been made. I only have 2 of them, but you seem like a real serious guy, a real good guy. Do you want it? I said, fuck yeah, give me it. So, here it is. It's called Oral-B Pro 2000, okay? Here it is, $300. Not available in the US, but I'm giving you a sneak peek, bro. And we're gonna try this out. You know what we're gonna do? To my fedora, we're gonna unbox it. And we're gonna fucking try it out. And if this thing doesn't fucking make my dick hard, I'm gonna be pissed. So yeah, I gave him 300, and he said, you know, when you come back, tell me how it is. Alright. What we have here is a whole bunch of looks like to be attachments, toothbrush attachments. Oh, here it is. Sweet Jesus. Oh yeah, and I guess it's Bluetooth capable. I mean, I don't know what the fuck that means, but yeah, here it is. Not available in the US yet, and I fucking got one. Alright. I don't know if this is just like a cheap plastic fucking case. I'm gonna fucking throw that piss hole over there. It's got a charger. If this thing didn't come with batteries, I'm going to probably go to the fucking dentist office and fucking cause hell. Alright, here are the directions here. English. God, I hate these fucking pictures. It's fucking retarded. Gosh, it's so fucking stupid. Okay. This is what I hate about you know, a society like nowadays. There are literally no instructions. It's just pictures. It's like, oh, people don't know how to read anymore. Look at these pictures and fucking figure it out. Alright, well, that is the unboxing and part. I'm going to figure out how to do this bad boy, and then I'll give you a brushing demonstration.